There's some dead ones in there, yeah.
Go back up, give you plenty of space. That one wants to come out. We don't have to take the whole herd.
That was the one you just got done with.
That's fine. That was a dead
She
one,
didn't
right?
like that one.
No.
Yeah.
He'll be tired now.
Good.
Yeah.
That works, Doc. Keep coming. Where's the cow go?
No, but I got excited.
That happens. Just that cow.
Everyone wants to chip off there.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah. Let's stop, okay? There. Now you got your cow. Keep your hand down. There you go. Use your feet. Relax. Stop. Watch your cow. We don't care where. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See?
Watch your
Woo!